What do you guys think? Do you love it or do you love it? Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and my bare face, today we are going to dive into a new beauty brand, and it is Beret. They are a clean and minimalistic beauty brand. And if you saw my previous video reviewing Cosmetics, you know that I'm trying to be smarter with the products and just overall makeup that I choose to put on my face. If you haven't seen that video, I'll insert a card above. You should check it out. But for today, we're going to focus on Beret. They reached out to me and gifted 7 of their products that I was able to choose for myself, and I'm so excited. So we're going to dive into that. But before we do, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you guys are notified every single time I post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Alrighty, so their motto is less is more, which I absolutely agree with. As of lately, my makeup looks have to be 5 minutes, 10 minutes on a really fancy day. You know what I mean? Let me know if you're like that. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment below how long it takes you to do your daily makeup, because for me, it's 5 minutes and I'm done. So let's go ahead and hop into the goodies that I got. The first one is their blending brush. I couldn't resist this because, you know, a good brush is a must. And look, oh my goodness, it's so soft. Okay, this is nice. So it's beautiful, it's compact, and I'll hop into more details about this as we go through the tutorial. The next product I got was the Minimalistic Perfecting Complexion Stick, and I got this in the shade Amber. I really wanted to try out their chestnut shade, but it was sold out, so we're gonna see if this is a good match for my skin. Next up is their Flush Balm in the shade Raspberry Beret. The next product I got was their Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the shade Kava. Also got their Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara, and this is in the shade Perfect Black. And last but not least, I got their Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oils. I had to get 2, you guys. I just could not pick one. They have such a gorgeous variety of shades on their website. And lip oils are just so hydrating and moisturize the lips, which is perfect for upcoming holiday season, just winter season in general. So I had to get 2. Couldn't resist. And I got it in the shade Falcon and Pink Beat. So excited to try these out. So now that you guys know what I've received, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my face to create a very easy, effortless, and minimalistic makeup look. Hopefully it's dewy. I think the highlighter will do the trick. And of course, I will pop in here and there and let you guys know my thoughts and any fun facts about the products. So let's jump into it. Alrighty, so I'm going in with their Minimalistic Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Amber, and as I suspected, it is lighter than my skin tone, so I will be using this a little later for a highlighting effect. But for a full coverage, I'm taking my concealer from Kosas in the shade 8.2W. This is also a clean beauty product, and a little goes a long way. If you want to see my previous review on these products, click the card above or click the link in the description box below. So now I'm going to take my complexion stick from Beret and use this as a highlighter for my under eyes to just brighten it up, and then later on I'm going to add a little bit to the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. And this is such a creamy and hydrating formula. As you can see, I was giving a thumbs up. I just loved how beautifully it blended in my skin, and it was the perfect shade for my under eyes, so I was super hype about that. It's also very lightweight, and of course, I want to throw out some fun facts about Beret. So their products are clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. As you can see, I'm using their blending brush. This was also so incredibly soft, you guys, and the bristles are vegan. Then I'm going in with their Day Glow Highlighting Balm. I was not expecting such a gorgeous glow. I don't want to go up as high right here, so I'm going to just go in really quickly with my concealer and then just focus more so on the high points of my cheeks so it can like really hit, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here as well. They do have a shade called Bounce, which is a rose gold shade, which I would definitely recommend for my women of color. I just wanted to test the boundaries of this one. It is a champagne color, and typically those can be a hit or miss when it comes to darker skin tones. It can just be way too cool. As of now, the way I'm looking at it in the monitor, this is gorgeous. Like, stunning. And it's good to know that we don't have to be afraid of this color. I'm gonna add a little bit of the highlighter to the bridge and the tip of my nose, and then we're going in with some blush. This is their Blush Balm cheek color in the shade Raspberry Beret, and on the site it states that this gives you a lit from within color that stays flush all day. And I can agree to that. I was really pleased with this blush. Very natural, super creamy, and it's infused with vitamin E, so it conditions the skin and it doesn't clog the pores. I mean, I win-win. Really love this stuff. You can also add these kind of products to your eyelids as well because they're so lightweight, but I chose not to do that for this specific look. And then I'm going to quickly do my brows. I'm not using Merit's products for this, but they do have a brow gel on their website that is highly ranked and has so many awesome reviews, so definitely check that out if you're interested. Now I'm going in with their Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara, and it does just that. It lengthens and lifts the lash, and it wasn't clumpy. I didn't experience any smudging with it, and it gives it a nice dark tint. Then I'm going in with some powder to just mattify the look a little bit. And I did get 2 of their Shade Slick tinted lip oils, so I'm going to be trying them out for you. The first one is going to be Pink Beet. Now this is infused with rose hemp, grapeseed, jojoba oil, and shea butter, just to name a few. Overall, these felt very moisturizing on the lips. And I personally thought this was a very fun and flirty color. Not too much, but just enough. I think the color is buildable, but as you wear it throughout the day, it will kind of wear off a little bit, but just leave that subtle tinted color, which I think is great for a everyday use. For the final look, I am going to go in with Falcon. I just want to go for like a 90s vibe today. This was super pigmented, which I was impressed as far as lip oils go. I wasn't expecting for it to have so much color payoff. I really like this. It's screaming 90s to me. This is just my vibe. Let me know what you guys think. And I am tapping my face to let you guys know that this felt so incredibly lightweight, as if I had no makeup on whatsoever. It is now time for my final thoughts. What do you guys think? Do you love it or do you love it? I'm just like lost for words. One, try it out for yourself. Merit is available at Sephora, and you can find them on their website. I will link all of the products that I use in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. All I have to say is this feels so light. Like, I don't feel like I have any makeup on my face, yet it looks very dewy and healthy, and it just feels like skin, you know? It just doesn't feel like anything is weighing down on my skin. I'm very impressed by Merit. It's very simple. If you go on their website, they pretty much provide you with the products that you need for everyday use. And as you can see, within like 5 minutes tops, you just create a effortless, dewy, healthy look. I also love how they care about the environment and they care about what you're putting into your skin. And that's what I really, really adore about these clean beauty brands. You know that it's a company that cares, you know? Like, I care about my skin, but like, you care about it too? Okay? I really like this stuff. Like, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I feel like you can get an elevated look with their products, and not to mention, it's just so gorgeous and sleek, and the size is just so portable and perfect to just throw in a makeup bag. I'm just going to end this here and say click my link in the description box below, try it out for yourself. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and they have like specials where they send a free bag with every purchase, and they have a holiday bag going on now. So if you want to get it now when you can get a cute little bag as well. That is it. That is all. Stay blessed, you guys, and I will see you very shortly in my next video.